Hi guys, this is Shinash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the DAX function switch in Power BI. Switch function, it's a logical function. In switch function, you can supply the or you can mention the different type of results and their corresponding value. It means you supply a parameter in switch statement and that parameter is matched with the result. And wherever the result is matched, then corresponding value is returned. So as you can see in the syntax, we have the expression. Expression is a single scalar value, then second is the value and the result. If the first value is matched, then the corresponding next result is returned. Again second one, second value, second result. If second value is matched, the second result is returned. Then third value, third match. So you can mention the different or multiple value and result. And if no value is matched, then else part. It means you can mention some default value for no matching result. For the better understanding of the switch statement, first of all we check the if nested statement. Suppose in case of the if nested statement, we pass the color and then we have a decision box, means condition, which return the true or false. So if color is red, then yes, then print red. If no, then another condition. If color is blue, if yes, then print blue. Again no, again another condition, means condition within the condition. Then finally if color is green, then print green, otherwise no, then print default. So this is the multiple condition, but if we add more condition, so this will become the very complex, and the switch statement is the easier version of this if nested statement. In switch statement, you supply the result and their value. Suppose in this diagram you can see color is a expression, then we have the values and their result. If the result is red, then corresponding value is print red. If the green, then corresponding value is the green. If the black, then black. If the blue, and if there is no matching result, then we have the default value. Before we start the practical of the switch statement, we check the data. So we have the data, country, product, quantity sold, and other data. And in this data, my requirement is I have to create the code for each and every country. Means for Canada, say I want the CA, for Germany I want the GE, and for the France I want the FR. Now we check the practical of the switch statement. So the data already uploaded, and my requirement is I have the list of the country in a column and I want to generate the code for each and every country. Say for the Canada I want CA, for Germany I want GE, and for France I want the FR. So first of all I create a column. Country code, then switch statement. In switch statement, expression, country. This expression means this country column has to be evaluated. Now first value, as per the syntax, say if it is the Canada, in column if the Canada value is there, then code should be the CA, second value. If it's Germany, then code should be the say GE, and if it's a France, third value, then result means FR. And if no match, so I can type here no match. So I execute this function. Now you can see for the Canada, each will check the each and every value in this column. So first of all Canada, Miss Canada match with this Canada value and the result is the CA. For Germany is matched with the GE, then result is the GE. For France it's a FR. And for the Mexico, because we did not mention the Mexico in the switch statement in the list, that's why it will take the default value no match. So this is how you can use the switch statement in the Power BI. So guys, this was all about the switch text function in Power BI. Thanks for watching the video.